All right, let the pressure washing begin. All right, this is all the parts to 2 spindles. The bearings are in good shape. I got everything all cleaned up nice. I'm fixing to repack these bearings. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to put you on the tripod and show you how I do that. Maybe that'll be interesting. I don't know. Maybe not. But let me get you on the tripod.
On purpose for God. And to correct that problem in your life, this month, Pastor Jeff Shreve is preaching through his 6-lesson series called Living on Purpose. And we're making this available as our thank you gift to you.
What you're doing is grabbing a little bit of grease and mashing it in there, in the crack back here, the crack between the inner bearing and the outer bearing. And you can see when you've got it all the way through, when it starts mushrooming out the top of the bearing. I think you can see the crack here, and the gap between the outer bearing and the inner bearing. Watch when I start. See, it's starting to mushroom out. So you've got it all the way in there now. All right, there's one bearing. I don't think I'm gonna make you watch the whole thing, but now I got this grease all over my. Maybe I can do it with. Yeah, I don't have nothing on my pinky. I can shut you off with my pinky finger. All right, I'm gonna show you how I put that grease seal back in. This is just a socket. There we go. Alrighty, we are ready to reassemble these. I got the new rebuilt spindles. Well, I didn't rebuild them. I took them apart, cleaned them, re-greased them, repacked them, put them back together. But they're good as new. I'm really surprised these spindles are in such, brand new shape. Blades back on, sharpen the blades. Now, I gotta put this idler pulley back on. And it goes right there. Actually, it goes this way. But it was froze. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this real smooth on the underside of this. And clean that up real good around there too. And put the belt on. And then I'm going to start reassembling the lawnmower. Tensioner pulley is on. New belt's on. Move this to the side. I'm going to push the lawnmower back in here and start reassembling. Gas tank's in. Got a new fuel line on it. Now I'm fixing to put some cable ties on here and cable tie it up under here. Alright, fenders are on. Now I got to put the seat on, the rubber grip, and both pedals. All right, seat's on, pedals are on, battery's in. I'm gonna go ahead and put that deck on and the new belt. And tomorrow, I think I'll have the new tires tomorrow. I'll put the new tires on and the hood, and we'll be good to mow. Well, I got my new tires in. I can't believe the mail delivered. You probably not. You won't see this video. You know, you may see this video years from now. This is Louisiana. We do not get snow, and normally when this happens or a snowflake falls, every government entity shuts down, schools closed. And I was not expecting the mail to deliver, but sure enough, a lady showed up in my driveway and delivered these tires. And they came squished flat with strapping around them, so I've got them sitting in front of this, hoping they'll spread out, or else I don't know how I'm going to get them to take a bead on that rim. So here's the lawnmower. I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. I'm done. Basically, I just got to slide this up under there and put the new belt on it and put these new tires on. But we're finished. Let me give you a walk around if I can get far enough away. $200 lawnmower. And for those who are watching this video and didn't see the video before this, I've run this lawnmower. The reason I bought it is because the guy couldn't figure out what was wrong with it, and I had it fixed in an hour or so and drove it around the yard. So it runs good, and I'll tell you what all I've put into it. 3 new belts. Oh, and I went ahead and bought these little reflectors back here just because they were $7 and just makes it look new. So I got $200 into this, and as soon as them tires take shape, I'll put them tires on, and as soon as the snow goes away, I'll take this out and crank it up and drive it around the yard and maybe chop up some leaves. It's a long video. Thanks for watching, y'all, if you're still here.
Scared her now.
I got this. This is one of my subscriber went-ins here. Watch this.